Hello traders, do not trade during this key pivotal area. Reason is this is choppy and then we will never be able to make profit from this area. Your entry should be always at the supply zone or the demand zone or any area which is outside this thing. We can have a close during this area but not the entry during this area because we will lose the money whatever we do, whatever entry we take in this area. How? If you see all this. Uh, See, my entry always, always analyze the market with this. You see this from here, all the way from here, the market is moved, and this area it is called uh, point of control or key area. I'll just mention here. It is a point of control. It's a point of control, and this key area. Whatever entries we take in this, we will definitely lose. All retailers and small traders, if we take any entry during this area, we'll definitely use where our entry should be either this area or above this area or below this area. Means our entry should be either above this. I'll show you. Our entry should be either above this or below this or below this. Why? Any entry we take here, definitely we will lose the money. So this is with the based on experience. I'm telling how. I'll explain even that also. See, this is the New York all the way. It is created. It is moved up, and it is taken the liquidity of the previous week, whatever I left out. And here is the previous week high. Previous week high, and here it is all the way went during this Tokyo Japan session, Tokyo session, and it is went and it has taken all the liquidity. So when we know when it is taken the liquidity, when it is moved more than when it is moved more than let's say when it is moved more than 5 to 10 dollars move, that is 550 something it is moved, which means the market is always trying to pull pull back to the imbalance area or this pivotal area, I can say. So once it is moved, our entry should be after this, where it should have been, where it should have been, I'll tell you. Our entry should have been here, short, having this. Our entry should have been this all the way up here, and you can anywhere you can have. It is depending upon how you want to take this. If you ask me, I'll take just two. I will give this way. So market has fallen down drastically. It's not taken the reversal, and this is the open. This is the Tuesday open, I can say. This is the Tuesday open. This is the open Tuesday. So definitely the market would definitely reach this area. So this way we can take the entry and we can make profit. But whatever we take any entry during this choppy area, this point of control, definitely we will lose the money and it's not going to yield any profits from this. So this way we need to identify the entry and the exit, not during this. If we take any entry during this period, unless it is a positional trading or swing trading, then it will be problematic for the traders and they will never going to make any money in this. So my advice, we should not take any entry during this, and we should take entry after taking the liquidity and at the support level, the resistance level. So from this we can take the entry all the way up to here. And there is imbalance here. You can even cover this if you are taken this entry and just keep going this, and it will come definitely till this area. I can say till this area it will come. So this way we could have taken the entry and then made the profits. Thank you.